Welcome to Trust Reviews, your trusted partner in building online credibility. Here, businesses can quickly boost their reputation with authentic Trustpilot reviews from real customers. Pick the plan that suits your business. We'll go with the professional package, offering 50 authentic 5-star Trustpilot reviews, perfect for maximum impact. Now enter your details, email for order updates, and your Trustpilot business link. As you can see, this page currently has a low rating. By completing your order, you can boost your score with authentic 5-star reviews from real accounts. You can also choose where your reviews come from. Select worldwide for a balanced mix, or target specific countries like the United States or Indonesia for localized credibility. You can also provide your own custom review content for full control over what appears on your Trustpilot page. To do this, simply check the option, I want to provide custom review content, and upload a text file containing your reviews. Each review should be written on a new line and kept natural, clear, and authentic. No dummy or repetitive text. Once your file is uploaded, the system automatically verifies it and shows the total number of reviews detected. When everything looks good, click Proceed to Payment to securely complete your order and start the delivery process. Here's a quick summary of your order. You've selected the professional package with 50 reviews for your Trustpilot page, linked to your business, with reviewers based in the United States. Your custom file has been uploaded successfully, and everything looks perfect. Now just click Proceed to Payment to complete your order. To complete your order, simply send the exact amount in USDT TRC20 to the wallet address shown, or scan the QR code for quick payment. Payment confirmations usually take just a few minutes. Once verified, you'll receive an order ID by email, and your reviews will begin within 24 hours. You can track progress anytime using the order status page. Once your payment is verified on the blockchain, your order is automatically activated, and our team begins processing your reviews right away. It's fast, seamless, and completely secure. Once your payment is confirmed, you can easily track your order anytime from the check order status page. Just enter your order number and email and instantly view your progress and delivery updates. With Trust Reviews, your journey to a stronger online reputation is completely transparent, secure, and hassle-free. And here's the result. Just 7 days later. The Trustpilot profile that once struggled with a 1.8 rating has now climbed to an impressive 4.7 stars, marked as excellent. The page now features authentic 5-star reviews from verified users, highlighting fast delivery, great product quality, and outstanding customer service. Visit BuyTrustReviews.com today and start building the trust your brand deserves.